Have you ever caught a glimpse of yourself in a mirror or a photograph and noticed that you're standing a little differently than you used to? Maybe your shoulders seem more rounded. Perhaps your head leans forward slightly. Or maybe you've noticed that you're not standing quite as tall as you once did. If so, you're not alone. Posture changes are incredibly common after 60. In fact, many people begin to develop a forward-leaning posture, rounded shoulders, or what is often called a hunchback appearance as they age. Most assume it's simply an unavoidable part of getting older. But here's the good news. While aging does bring changes to the body, poor posture is not something you have to accept without a fight. In many cases, posture can be improved, and the earlier you address it, the better. Even small improvements in posture can reduce pain, improve balance, support breathing, increase confidence, and help you move more comfortably throughout the day. Today, we're going to explore why posture changes after 60, why it matters more than most people realize, and what you can do to stop the hunch before it starts. Let's begin.
Why posture changes as we age. To understand how to improve posture, we first need to understand why it changes. Aging affects nearly every structure involved in keeping the body upright. Muscles gradually lose strength. Joints become stiffer. Bones may lose density. Years of sitting, driving, looking down at phones, reading, or working at desks can also influence how the body positions itself. Over time, these factors can pull the shoulders forward, weaken the muscles that support the spine, and encourage the head to drift in front of the body. The result is a posture that often appears rounded or stooped. Many people don't notice the change because it happens slowly. A slight forward lean this year becomes more noticeable 5 years later. The encouraging news is that posture is influenced by habits, muscles, and movement patterns, all things that can often be improved. Why good posture matters more than appearance. When most people think about posture, they think about how they look. Standing taller, looking more confident, appearing younger. And while those benefits are real, posture affects much more than appearance. Good posture helps distribute forces evenly throughout the body. It allows muscles and joints to work more efficiently. It supports balance.
Stretch what has become tight. Strength is only part of the equation. Flexibility matters too. Many adults spend years sitting with rounded shoulders and a forward head position. As a result, certain muscles gradually become tight and shortened. The chest muscles are a common example. When these muscles tighten, they can pull the shoulders forward. The muscles at the front of the hips often become tight as well, especially in people who spend a lot of time sitting. Gentle stretching can help restore balance. Chest stretches, shoulder stretches, hip flexor stretches, upper back mobility exercises. These movements can help counteract the effects of prolonged sitting and encourage better alignment. You don't need to spend hours stretching. Just a few minutes each day can produce noticeable improvements over time. Pay attention to your head position. Here's something that surprises many people. One of the heaviest objects your body supports every day is your head. The average adult head weighs around 10 to 12 pounds. When your head is positioned directly over your shoulders, the spine handles that weight efficiently. But when the head drifts forward, the strain on the neck increases dramatically. This condition is often called forward head posture. It's extremely common. Think about how often people look down at phones, tablets, books, or computer screens. Over time, these habits can train the body into poor alignment. Try periodically checking your posture throughout the day. Imagine gently pulling your head backward rather than tilting your chin upward. Small adjustments repeated consistently can make a significant difference.
Practice standing tall every day.
Exercise is important, but posture is also a skill. Like any skill, it improves with practice. One simple strategy is to choose specific moments throughout the day as posture reminders. For example, every time you brush your teeth, every time you answer the phone, every time you stand up from a chair.
Take a few seconds to check your alignment. Are your shoulders relaxed? Is your head positioned over your shoulders? Are you standing tall without straining? These brief check-ins help retrain the body and increase awareness. Over time, good posture becomes more automatic. Don't forget about balance. Posture and balance are closely connected. As posture declines, balance often becomes more challenging. And when balance becomes less reliable, the risk of falls increases. This is one reason exercises like Tai Chi, yoga, and balance training are so valuable for older adults. These activities improve body awareness, coordination, flexibility, and stability simultaneously. They teach the body how to maintain alignment while moving, and that skill becomes increasingly important with age. Start now, not later. Perhaps the most important message is this: don't wait until posture problems become severe. Many people only begin paying attention when pain develops or mobility declines. By then, correcting the problem becomes more difficult. The earlier you start, the easier it is to maintain healthy movement patterns. Even if you've already noticed changes in your posture, improvements are still possible. The human body remains remarkably adaptable throughout life. Small actions performed consistently can create meaningful change. Conclusion: posture changes are common after 60.
The hunch that many people associate with aging often develops gradually through muscle weakness, stiffness, inactivity, and daily habits. Fortunately, those same factors can often be improved. Strengthening your upper back and core, stretching tight muscles, improving head position, practicing better alignment, staying active, and working on balance. Together, these habits can help you stand taller, move more comfortably, and maintain greater independence in the years ahead. Because good posture isn't about looking younger, it's about functioning better. It's about protecting your mobility, reducing discomfort, and helping your body work the way it was designed to. And the best time to start is today. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments. Have you noticed changes in your posture as you've gotten older? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for